we're going to make Magnolia cream cheese mini cakes. Mini cake kasi we're going to use this one, 4-inch removable bottom pan. Kung wala naman, you can use this one, springform pan. Springform pan means removable bottom pan. Ganon din po siya. You line it with wax paper. Yan, para madaling tanggalin. Oh. Now, for our crust, we will have 2 cups Choco chip ito. Then, we have half cup butter, softened or melted. It has to be soft para easier to mix. Here, you will get this. You can cut in with a fork or you can use your mixer at low speed. Okay, blended na. Then, we divide this by 6. Cute ito kasi parang individual servings. Tapos, we press lang. Don't worry about it. Madaling tanggalin po ito dahil meron tayong paper sa ilalim. Okay, for our filling, we will dissolve the gelatin first. When you dissolve gelatin, we go first. Put the gelatin first. This comes from the gelatinous tissue of animals. That's why you melt it over low fire if you will not use your microwave. Let it bloom first. Bloom meaning solidify a little. Always gelatin muna para hindi siya bukol-bukol. While we're waiting, we will make already the filling. 1 package Magnolia cream cheese, softened para hindi tayo mahirapan po. Yan. Then we will just beat. You can use the same mixer, ha? No need to use so many things. Then high. We put now the half cup sugar, granulated or table sugar or white sugar. Then we beat. Blended na siya. We'll put the 1 cup Magnolia all-purpose cream. Malamig. Always put your Magnolia cream only in the refrigerator. Do not freeze. Sa ref lang. Okay, we beat. And then we scrape the sides. We beat few seconds more. Then we will put the gelatin. Creamy na. Then we add the 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin dissolved in half cup Magnolia fresh or full cream milk. Ang sarap. Okay, the gelatin is hot and it's dissolved. Then I give it 1 mix. And then we pour na. Pour all at once. Yes. Perfect. Then we beat few seconds. Then we pour. Okay. Here. In our prepared pan. Or you can use a scooper. When you scoop anything in your life, as my mother said, don't just scoop it like that, tumutulo-tulo. Always put it against the side of the bowl. So you will be a very neat cook. Then we will refrigerate until ready to use. As I mentioned earlier, when you make cream cheesecakes, this will stay in the ref for 3 days. When you need it, that's when you will put the topping, etc. And if you have any leftovers, it will still stay in the ref for 2 days. But if you want to eat it next month, if you plan to eat it next month, just put it in the freezer. It will last for a month or more. Oh, nandito na! Here. Then we will loosen out. Just to be. Okay. Yan, the whole thing na. Then, we will remove. Yan. Okay, madali tanggalin. Beautiful. There, we have it. Then, we will put the decoration. Now we will put the chocolate chips. Maganda ho kung gagamitin nyo na lang yung kamay nyo, naka-gloves, okay lang. And then, yung kasoy. Every time you have nuts, kasoy, or what, you store in the ref. If you leave it outside, madaling maanta. Because it's oily, so you have to put it in the ref to save your nuts. Or you can freeze. Okay, ang ganda ng presentation. Yan. Then we will make the caramel. Half cup granulated sugar. We will caramelize this. Pag brown na siya, remove from fire. We remove and we put half cup water with 1 tablespoon calamansi. This is a very important tip. Maraming housewives sinasabi sa akin, bakit pag nag-caramelize ako for leche flan, parang buo-buo. In Kapampangan, we call it mamalasya, sandy, grainy. To avoid that, every time you caramelize, this is what you do. You put acid, calamansi, or vinegar. Your caramel will not taste vinegar kasi mag-evaporate po yon. Pero it will save your caramel from getting sandy or grainy. And then, we will put, of course, my favorite, 2 tablespoons Magnolia gold butter. After that, we have my favorite, another favorite, 1/4 cup Magnolia all-purpose cream. Okay, let's start. When it begins to brown, we will lower the fire. Yun, nagba-brown na, we lower the fire, very low. Then, don't worry, you can remove from fire anytime. And you can mix it. Don't worry about it becoming grainy or sandy because we will put water with calamansi. Okay? Some more. I want it darker. Nung bata kami, ang sabi, pag nagka-caramelize ka, don't mix it. No, no, no. The technique is the calamansi or vinegar that you will put in your water. If you caramelize without liquid, what you do, you can put the calamansi or the vinegar on the sugar na. Okay, you can control it by removing from fire. Some more. I want it a little more caramel. Yan. Maganda na, oh. Can you see? Remove from fire. Can you see? Yan, oh. Then, when you add any liquid, be careful and avert your face. Perfect. We return to fire. This time, oh, buo-buong ganito, no worry. Oh. Okay. Oh, ganda na, oh. Remove from fire. Wala na siyang lumps. Tapos, we add the butter. Magnolia gold butter, syempre. That will be like this, ha? No problem. Then, we add the Magnolia all-purpose cream. Okay, the finished product using the best of Magnolia Inc. ingredients. Thank you so much to Spin Camp for this video and to our son Ernest, Chef Ernest Gala, who owns his cooking school, Gala Stars Culinary. Bye-bye! See you next time!